for anybody who wants to build a personal brand, it's thinking about, what do you want to stand for? How do you want to focus? What do you want to be known for? And so for me personally, it's, I want to do good deals. I want to be known for the work revolution or future of work. I want to be known as a VC who is helping increase access to the asset class. I want to be a VC who's known for helping founders. So if you pay attention to any of the stuff that I do, most of it is helping founders. It's helping people get into VC. It's increasing access to angels. It's some DEI stuff. It's future work stuff. So I never really stray outside of that. So get really clear on what you want to focus on. And then my trick is that every day I just tweet something that came up. If I have a call with a founder and they have a question, if I have like this podcast with you, maybe something will come up where it's like, oh, this question that Rohit asked was really interesting, and I want to share what he said or how I answered, and then that can sometimes be really interesting because it's what's actually happening in my life that I tweet about, my work life that I tweet about. So I only spend somewhere between 5 and 20 minutes on Twitter a day, to a few minutes to tweet something. And then, I like to retweet a few things. I like to engage on a few things and read. So, I wish I had more time than 20 minutes, but that's kind of where I typically max out. And then the other thing I will mention is, don't try to do everything all at once. My initial plan was to write a blog a week and to do a podcast a week and to do, 2 things on Twitter a day and 1 thing on LinkedIn a day. Well, what I actually could do every day or for the long term was the one Twitter a day.
Yeah.
And that worked. So start small and pick the one channel and do it once a day or once a week or whatever your number is, and just be really regular with it and focus on what you set out to focus on. And I think you'll start to see the results from it.